10 time-saving computer life hacks we wish we learned sooner. There are 3 kinds of computer users. Those that use their mouse, people who use their keyboard, and other people preferring lecture Cortana or Siri. No matter which category you fall into, you can't deny the immense usefulness of certain shortcuts and hacks that reveal the unknown possibilities your computer always had. These smart tricks improve your everyday computer experience and provides an absolute boost in your productivity and in your security. Here at Brightside we collected 10 computer hacks which can be massively helpful to anyone using their computer for fun or business. 1. Ctrl+D opens a replacement tab. When you work tons on your PC and your browser is your favorite tool, opening new tabs is an action that you simply do countless times during the day. Instead of doing it manually alongside your mouse, you'll simply press Ctrl and thus the letter T and the replacement tab will open. If you're employing a MacBook, you'll press Command instead of Ctrl. 2. Ask Google about any problem you're facing before going to a PC expert. Most IT problems are simple issues which can easily be resolved by following a few steps. However, most of the people panic when anything wrong happens and run to the closest PC expert. Just remember to be cool and hamper. You'll type your problem into the Google search bar and skim what Microsoft or the numerous tech forums got to tell you. You'll likely find the solution there and won't need to spend money on an expert. 3. For currency conversions, use the Google search bar instead of a calculator. Who needs calculators once you've got something as precious as Google? If you're traveling abroad and you wish to ascertain what proportion money you will get with the exchange, you'll simply write down the number of money and thus the currencies of the country where you're traveling. A simple $100 to euros are getting to be enough to seek out what proportion you'll win or lose from the exchange. 4. A laptop battery charges faster when in airplane mode. When your laptop is on airplane mode it means many features, like your Wi-Fi and Bluetooth, are disabled. This takes some pressure off your battery and allows it to charge faster than if operating normally. Expect to determine your laptop fully charged 10-15 minutes faster than if you had the airplane mode off. 5. Download any Google image automatically by pressing Alt and clicking thereon. Most people right-click on images and choose the Save option. But there's a way easier and faster because of download a photograph on your computer. You'll simply push Alt then left click on an image and it will be automatically saved on your computer in your downloads folder. On a MacBook you'll press Ctrl and click on the image, it'll then provide you with a menu where you'll select Copy Image. 6. Hide your IP address so as that no one sees what you're doing. There are various ways during which can hide your IP address and make your browsing invisible. First of all, you would wish to put in an honest VPN on your internet browser so as that it changes your real location. Then, you will download PeerBlock, which also hides your address, and provides you the facility to undertake to whatever you'd like with nobody knowing. 7. Download f.lux to make your computer's screen brightness adjust automatically to its surroundings. There are many of you who work on your computers from various environments and skills hardest to be during a dark space with a very bright screen. Most computers have the night shift mode, which adjusts the brightness during the night. You'll also download and install f.lux, which automatically adjusts the screen's brightness supported every environment it's placed in. It's a superb alternative if the night shift mode isn't satisfactory for you. 8. A clean desktop means a faster computer. If you're having problems alongside your computer's speed, it would be the actual fact that your desktop is crammed with icons. Instead of having a folder for every little thing on your desktop, you'll create one folder and organize everything in there. Next, put all of your apps within the taskbar and you will be left with an almost empty desktop. This action will instantly maximize your computer's speed. 9. Determine who's stealing your Wi-Fi. Isn't it annoying when your connection is slow because somebody else is taking advantage of your Wi-Fi? If you are doing not just want to vary your password, but also determine who the thief, or thieves, are, then you'll download Who Is On My Wi-Fi and maybe go confront them. There's nothing more embarrassing than telling someone that you simply know they've been stealing from you. 10. If you notice these signs, your computer has been hacked. Millions of people get hacked each day and you'd possibly be one of them at some point. Seeing your antivirus being turned off is one of the first serious signs. Also, once you plan to log in your computer and suddenly your password doesn't work, this is often another serious indication that something is wrong. Lastly, a sure sign that you simply are hacked is that if you see your cursor moving on its own. During this case, take your laptop to an expert and inspect to resolve the problem.